Welcome to this quick start guide for the Plustek CCD Flatbed C600. Let's check what's included in the box. Turn the scanner over and unlock the transportation lock on the underside. Connect the AC adapter and USB cable. Then, press the power button to turn on the scanner. Now go to the C600 support page using the web address shown on screen. Download the driver for your Windows or Mac operating system. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the scanner driver and Image Express software. Double-click the Image Express icon to launch the software and start scanning.